Marshall's fixing to learn how to ride a dirt bike. Go. Brake. Give it a little bit of gas, not much, just a little bit. Let off the gas and turn. Whoops, you hit. Go. Just like that, keep going. You okay? That's why I said be careful with that throttle, pick it up. Pick it up from the other side. There you go. There you go. Now get on it. Be very careful with the throttle. All right, very little. Brake. Brake. Keep your foot up. Put your feet up and put your foot on the brake. Feet up. Put your feet up. Keep going. Good job. Y'all like the way you did the brake. Look at me. All right, keep going. Now turn around. Go right here. Come this way. Give it a little bit of gas. No, ride it and do it. Just get on it and ride it and do it. Good job. See? Now I want you to try and turn around. Ride it. Ride it and turn around right here. Give it just a little bit of gas. Now go down there and do the same thing and come back. Look. You're good. Just go that way and then turn around and come back.
And when I stop,
Okay. Now turn around and come back. Turn around and come back. Good job.